programming language paradigm is a style or approach to programming, such as object-oriented, functional, or procedural. Different programming languages may support one or more paradigms, and a single language may have multiple paradigms. The choice of paradigm can affect the design, structure, and readability of code. There are several programming language paradigms, including imperative or procedural. This paradigm focuses on specifying a sequence of operations to be executed. Programs written in this paradigm are made up of procedures and variables, which are used to change the state of the program. In this paradigm, the programmer must explicitly specify the order in which operations are to be executed. Examples of imperative or procedural languages include C, Pascal, and Fortran. Object-oriented. In this paradigm, the program is made up of objects, which are instances of classes. Classes define the data and behavior of objects, and objects can interact with one another through methods. This paradigm emphasizes the concept of encapsulation, where data and behavior are bundled together within an object to reduce complexity and improve code reusability. Examples of object-oriented languages include Smalltalk, Java, C#, Scala, and C++. Functional. This paradigm emphasizes the use of mathematical functions and avoids changing state and mutable data. Programs written in this paradigm are made up of pure functions that take input and return output, but don't have any side effects. This approach leads to more predictable and composable code. Examples of functional languages include Lisp, Haskell, and ML. Logic. This paradigm allows programming with formal logic. Programs are made up of logical statements that can be evaluated as true or false, and the program's execution flow is determined by the evaluation of these statements. Examples of logic programming languages include Prolog and Mercury. Declarative. This paradigm focuses on describing the desired result rather than the steps to achieve it. The programmer specifies what the output should be, rather than how to get to that output. This approach is used in domain-specific languages like SQL, in functional programming languages like Lisp or Haskell, and in markup languages such as HTML. Scripting. This paradigm code is executed without a compiler, by an interpreter instead. Scripting languages are usually used for automating repetitive tasks, web scraping, or for building simple web applications. Examples of scripting languages include Python and Perl. Data-driven programming. In data-driven programming, the focus is on the data and its manipulation, rather than the logic or control flow of the program. Programs are written to process and analyze data, and the data itself is used to drive the execution of the program. Examples of data-driven programming languages include R, Python, and MATLAB. Event-driven. This paradigm triggers a specific action or event, which is determined by the occurrence of a specific event, like a button click. The program will wait for a certain event to happen, then execute a specific action. Some languages may support multiple paradigms. For example, Scala is considered to be a multi-paradigm language, as it supports both object-oriented and functional programming.